Hey everyone! Welcome back to Sai Recipes. Today, I'm sharing some quick and easy vegan dinner ideas that are full of flavor and totally plant-based. Recipe 1. Chickpea Stir Fry. First up, we've got a chickpea stir fry. This is perfect when you're craving something savory and satisfying. Sauté garlic and your favorite veggies in a pan, then toss in some chickpeas and soy sauce. Stir it all together, and in just 10 minutes, you've got a delicious meal. Recipe 2. Vegan Tacos. Next, we're making simple vegan tacos. All you need are soft tortillas, black beans, avocado, and some salsa. Heat the beans, fill the tortillas, and top with avocado and salsa. It's a fun, no-fuss dinner in minutes. Recipe 3. Pasta with pesto. And finally, a super easy vegan pesto pasta. Cook up your favorite pasta, then mix it with some vegan pesto sauce. Add in some cherry tomatoes and you're ready to serve. 3 quick and easy vegan dinners that you'll want to make all the time. If you loved this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment with your favorite vegan meal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.